Hey guys, Jason here with Quantum Courses, and in this tutorial, we'll be going over how to remove the background from images using the background remover tool in the Canva mobile app. But before we get started, make sure you hit that subscribe button and hit the notifications bell so you'll get notified each time I release a new tutorial. As you know, Canva is one of the best tools that you can use to create logos, banners, t-shirt designs, and other awesome media. Not only do they have an easy to use website that you can access, but also a powerful mobile app that allows you to quickly edit designs on your smartphone. In this video, we'll be going over how to use the Canva mobile app to remove backgrounds from images and photos to create your own custom designs. As a print-on-demand seller, it's extremely important to have good design and editing tools to create top quality designs for my products. Without using Canva to remove the background from my designs, all of my products will have a not so attractive white or colored square behind the design. But Canva makes it super easy to quickly remove image backgrounds with their magic background remover tool. The Canva background remover is a super powerful tool, especially for print-on-demand sellers, but it may be hard to find and use on the mobile app for new users. Luckily, I'll be showing you how to access and use the background remover tool to remove image backgrounds in the Canva mobile app so you can start creating awesome designs on the go. But before we continue, you should know that you won't be able to access the background remover tool or export your designs with transparency without a Canva Pro account. You can give Canva Pro a try for free by clicking the link in the video description. Now that that's taken care of, let's get started by downloading the Canva mobile app. Go ahead and pull out your smartphone and let's head over to the App Store. From here, let's go up to the search bar and type in Canva. In the search results, you should see the Canva app, the one with the blue icon here that you can download to your smartphone. It looks like my app needs to be updated, but yours should say get or download. Go ahead and download the app now. Once the Canva app finishes downloading, it should appear on your smartphone home screen. So go ahead and open up the Canva app and sign in. So here's the home screen for the Canva mobile app. The first thing we're going to do is create a new project. To do this, let's look at the bottom right hand side of the screen and click on the blue plus sign icon here. This should open up a menu that shows you all sorts of options that you can use to create a new project. For this example, let's select the top option to select custom dimensions for our project. As a print-on-demand seller, I use Canva to create a lot of t-shirt designs. So for my project size, I'm going to use 4500 by 5400 pixels. This will allow me to create a design that's big enough so my design doesn't look pixelated on my t-shirt. So now, let's click the blue Create New Design button. This should open up a brand new blank project that we can use to start creating our design. Now that we have our template, let's go over how to remove the background from your images. First, let's select an image from the Canva library. The Canva library has thousands of images, graphics, and photos that you can use for your designs. To access the Canva library, let's look at the bottom left-hand corner here and click the blue plus sign icon. This should open up a menu that provides you with various options such as selecting a design template, uploading a new design, a menu to add text, and what we're looking for, the Elements tab. The Elements tab is where you can search the Canva library for images, photos, and even videos to add to your project. So as an example, let's go up to the search bar here and search for ducklings. This should pull up tons of images, graphics, and photos that are related to the word ducklings. Let's click the tab up top here to view only the photos. As you can see, Canva has tons of images that you can use for your project. They have some free images, but to access all the images, you'll need a Canva Pro account. So to demonstrate how to remove the background from photos, I think I'll select this Canva Pro photo here. Now that I've selected and added a photo to my project, let's go over how to remove the background. The first thing you want to do is make sure you have the image selected. If it's not already, simply click your image to select it. Once you select your image, you should see an editing menu appear at the bottom of your project. Go ahead and scroll through the various icons until you find the Effects tab. Let's click that now. This should open up a new menu that allows you to add all sorts of effects to your image. The first icon you see here should be the BG remover, which stands for background remover. This is the magic button that you can click to remove the background from your image. So let's click it now and see what happens. And voila! The background has been removed from my image, leaving only my little buddy here. With the background removed, you can now resize, rearrange, and edit your image any way you like. Just for fun, I think I'll add my duckling to a new background. So let's click the blue plus sign icon at the bottom left, go to the Elements tab, and for my new background, I think I'll search for Tropical Beach. To view only the photos, let's click the Photos tab at the top. I can now browse through all the tropical beach photos that are available in the Canva library. Once you find an image you like, simply click it to add it to your project. Go ahead and resize and edit your image if needed. I'm gonna make my new background image larger to cover the whole canvas. There we go. Now that I've added my background, let's move it to the back so it's not covering up my duckling. Make sure you have the background image selected, then go to the menu at the bottom here and look for the Position tab. Here's where you can move your selected element to the front or the back of your project. If I click the backward button here, my background will be moved back, revealing my duckling. I think he looks much more relaxed sitting on the beach. If you like, feel free to edit or customize your design even further. As a print-on-demand seller, I typically create designs for t-shirts and other products. So let's quickly go over one more example of how to remove the background from an image and use it to create a t-shirt design. This time, instead of adding an image from the Canva library, let's go over how to upload your own image from your camera roll and remove the background. First, let's open up a new project by clicking the round icon at the bottom right here. To create a new template with the same dimensions, simply click the grayed out square here. A new template should then appear. Let's click it to open it up. So now let's upload an image from my camera roll to create my t-shirt design. Just like before, let's click the blue plus sign icon at the bottom left. And from the menu at the bottom, this time let's go to the Uploads tab. We can then click the blue Upload Media button, select the Photo Library option, then find the image you want to upload. Once you select your image, click the Add button at the top right. Your image should then start uploading to Canva. Once it finishes, go ahead and select it to add it to your project. So for this example, I want to create a t-shirt design using this cool looking shark here. The first thing I need to do, of course, is remove the background. So let's make sure my image is selected, go down to the bottom menu, and find the Effects tab. From here, just like before, let's click the BG remover icon to remove the background. And like magic, my background has been removed, leaving only the image of my shark. I can now use my new image to create an awesome t-shirt design by adding other elements from the Canva library, adding text, other graphics, and anything else I think will make an eye-catching design. Once you're finished, make sure you export your design with transparency. If you don't, you're still gonna have a white square behind your image. This requires a Canva Pro account, but it's well worth it, especially if you're a print-on-demand seller. Once your design finishes exporting, it will then be downloaded to your smartphone, which can then be added to your t-shirts, tote bags, hoodies, coffee mugs, or other products in your print-on-demand or e-commerce store. So that's a quick overview of how to remove the background from images using the Canva mobile app. If you enjoyed the video, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.